Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're all well. And today I got my all-time favorite paye recipe. A beautiful recipe which is cow feet. It's a beautiful curry. Stay with me guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay guys, I've got about a dozen paye here and I've boiled them, give them a good clean. After cleaning them, I'm going to put them in the pressure cooker now. Bismillah. Okay, then I'm going to add 1 onion and about 20 garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of ginger. Bismillah. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Bismillah. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder. 1 tablespoon of zira, cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of salt or salt to taste. And 2 tablespoons of paya masala. You can use any brand of paya masala you like. And about half a jug of water. Bismillah. Give it a bit of a mix. Beautiful dish this is, I tell you guys. Like I said, my all-time favourite. I used to love this as a kid. Going back a few years now, that is. Time just flies past. Okay, once you give it a good mix, put the top on and let it cook in this pressure cooker until they're virtually done on a high heat. Okay guys, I'm going to let them cook in the pressure cooker until they're virtually done. If you haven't got a pressure cooker, it takes a bit longer, but you can cook them without the pressure cooker. But like I say, it does take longer. Okay guys, these have been cooking in the pressure cooker and I've let the steam out and I'm going to check them now. Bismillah. Bismillah. Oh, these look lovely. Oh, these smell nice as well. MashaAllah. You can feel them, they're done. MashaAllah. Nice and soft the skin is now. Oops. Nice and soft now skin is. MashaAllah. Beautiful. So I'm going to shift these to another pot because this is a bit deep as well and I want to cook them in the traditional pot, the clay pot. So I'm going to shift them over now and finish cooking them. Okay, before I shift them over, I'm going to add half a cup of oil in this. You don't need that much oil because the paye release their own oil as well. And I'm going to put them into that pot now. There's still a bit of water in this guys, so I'm going to cook it for a bit more until the oil comes up a bit. And just start stirring every so often so they don't stick to the bottom. But they won't need that much stirring. Amazing dish this is. MashaAllah, look at it. Okay guys, these have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So I'm just going to add some water to it, 1 glass of water. And these have been bhuna, what they call bhuna, cooking for about 10 minutes. Just 1 glass of water. Before I put the lid on, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, which is fenugreek seeds, leaves, sorry. 1 tablespoon of garam masala, a bit of coriander, and I'm going to add some coriander at the end to garnish it with as well. Give it a light stir. Amazing dish. Okay guys, it's come to a boil and it's been cooking for about 10 minutes. So I've turned it to low heat now. And I'm going to put the lid on and let it cook for another 5 minutes on low heat. Okay guys, it's been about 5 minutes since they've been cooking in this pot with the lid on low heat. So I've turned it off now and I'm going to dish them out. Before I dish them out, I'm just going to put a bit more coriander on top. And take them out. Bismillah, beautiful. MashaAllah. Look at them. Beautiful dish, I tell you guys. MashaAllah guys, the paya ready. Come out absolute beautiful. Awesome dish it is. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel. And thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.